What's up, you guys? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Dasani, and today I am back with another video.
Purple tree, plus I got this running me. Curly yellow dancing on me, so she smelled a grin on me.
And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this cute, like, rubber band, headband, ponytail hairstyle. And if you want to know how to do this hairstyle, then keep on watching. Okay, here we go, back at it again with the voiceover. So right here, I'm just showing you how my hair looks before we get into this little hairstyle. Right here, I'm parting my hair. I'm doing a side part just because it makes this hairstyle actually look like the headband type look. I mean, you could do a middle part if you wanted to, but just the side part just really gives it that headband look that you would be going for. So I'm doing the first part of this one section, and now I'm spraying with water, and then I'm going to be putting gel on it. I didn't show you guys the gel, but it's the Wetline Extreme gel. That's my go-to. And then I'm brushing it with my toothbrush. You can use any kind of brush that you want, but the toothbrush for me is just softer, and I'm rubber banding it right here. Here we go, boys. That's it. That's literally all. So now I'm just going to be repeating that whole process until I'm done. So it's parting it, spraying it with water, brushing it, and then putting the rubber band in. I use two different color rubber bands. I use purple and then blue, but you can use black, or you can do different colors, you know, whatever you want, whatever floats your boat, whatever makes you happy, go for it. I know, you know, I'm not judging it. Same process on the other side, and there's no point in me coming on here and telling you guys that because it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just bored and I just want to talk to you guys, so yeah. All right, that's it. Okay, I'm done. So I'm just connecting the two with the rubber band in the back.
I'm in the mood for love.
But did you guys just watch that? What? Yo, why? But who told me to be that ugly? Like, that is so ugly of me. I'm sorry. This is probably, and I'm stuttering. This is probably why no one subscribes. So I do feel like it's appropriate for me to come on here now. So right now I'm putting my hair into a ponytail, and I'm using the same gel, the Wetline Extreme gel, to smooth my hair down, along with a harder wow, I'm stuttering so bad. Along with a harder bristled brush. And yeah, I'm just smoothing my hair down to get the ponytail as fleeky as possible. You already know, gang gang. And yeah, that's the moves. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just putting my hair into a ponytail. You can leave your hair out like I showed you before, but my hair just wasn't popping for it to be out. So I put it into a ponytail and it looks just as cute. So yeah, like this video and please subscribe.
I'm in the mood for love.
That is the end of this tutorial. If you guys like this video, give this video a like and comment down below if you like the hairstyle, if you're going to try it out. And if you're interested in more hairstyles, then make sure to subscribe so that you can stay updated with my channel and you can see the next time another video comes out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and bye.